In my early 20s, I had sort of a fleeting fascination with Buddhism, and I would often try to meditate. Unsuccessfully, I could never get my mind to slow down and be quiet enough. I would try every technique I read about, the breathing, visualization, whatever. And I know those work great for a lot of people, but they didn't really work for me. So eventually I came across, and this many years later after awakening or what, a little bit or whatever, a way to meditate that worked for me. And I'm not the first person to ever come up with this. Krishnamurti would talk about it. I think the direct approach is what some people call it. But we'll just kind of walk through it here. And you can try it if you have trouble meditating. Maybe this is for you. First, there are no rules. You might want to go outside just because it's nice. There's less distractions. Don't take your phone. Just go sit. So what JK would call just sitting quietly. And that's what I call it too. You can just go anywhere, have a seat, and observe your surroundings without judgment or criticism. Observe everything without any judgment or criticism. And that includes good. Don't think, this is beautiful. This is ugly. I wish a breeze would come through. That's a great looking bee. Whatever it happens to be. When those thoughts do come, they will, or thoughts about the bills, or thoughts about this or that, or whatever's been worrying you, observe those too. Don't criticize or judge those, just don't be caught by them. Let them pass on by like the bee that just flew by. That thought's just flying by. Start out 10 minutes, try to go up to 20. You'll know you're there, and this might not happen the first time, when you have this sense of newness that you had as a child, when you had looking out at the world. Just whenever you are there and you're seeing everything without any judgment, it's like that. Everything's fresh and new, and it's quite nice. Even in the middle of anxiety attack, even when you're angry, get right there. An extension of this, something would be kind of fun to do at first and really valuable maybe, is to just observe your thoughts. You can do this anywhere. Close your eyes. Try not to think. Don't try not to think, but don't try to think. Just let whatever happens, happens. Let whatever bubbles up, bubbles up. And look at all the weird, crazy thoughts that pop up. You're not controlling those. Bits of dialogue, flashes of a scene, a word here and there. Sometimes it's really self-demeaning or derogatory things. Worry. If you were in control of that, you'd never be worrying, would you? Where are those thoughts coming from? Sit quietly long enough and maybe you'll find out.